for today I wanted to do another festival look, and this look was inspired by Makeup with Ja. She did that look on the client. Truthfully, if I was going to Coachella, I think I would rather do that look because she only used like one eyeshadow. But since I'm just doing this look for fun, I don't mind using a bunch of different eyeshadows. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using the Karity matte palette again today, and I'm going to start off with the color Feign. I had to turn this into a voiceover because they decided to do construction right after I started filming. So I'm going to go in with that teal color just to balance out the darker color that I'm going to add next. I'm going to use Phantom and focus that on the outer corner. I am going to pull it all the way in, but the focus will be on the outer corner. So the Stila shadow didn't go as I planned. I should have set it like I did in my past videos, because as soon as I tried to blend it in with that light blue right here, it just got really messy and the Stila shadow started to clump the more I tried to blend in the two colors. So if you do this, set the Stila liner with a similar color. We're going to go back in with Phantom and outline the crease, blend it out, outline the crease again, and blend it out again. Just like what we did with the Phantom color, we're going to focus the black only on the outer corner and we're not going to blend it all the way in. So this is my first time trying out that whole trend, putting liquid liner above the spotlight eye. I obviously need to practice more. If you have the NYX liner, don't use it on its own. The wand is extremely flimsy and it'll get all over your eye, so use a winged liner brush. I'm adding glitter glue to my inner corner and adding the blue glitter. Then I'm going to use the face jewels. This was only like $1.29 on eBay, but shipping did take a while. So I'm gonna go back and use that Stila eyeshadow for my lips. I mean, why not? Okay, that's actually not looking too bad. It does look like I've been frozen for a few years. Okay, so the color is looking a little flat, so I'm just going to kind of make an ombre. I'm going to be using in chin. Okay guys, now that we're done with the lips, we're all set. If you guys are going to Coachella this weekend, please be safe and drink lots of water. And I'll see you guys in the next video.